This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook delicious shrimp. First, selecting the right shrimp is key. Look for firm, translucent ones, whether fresh or frozen. If frozen, thaw them gently in cold water for about 15 minutes. Next, peel and devene them carefully. You can leave the tails on for a lovely presentation. Finally, and this is crucial, pat your shrimp completely dry with paper towels. This step ensures a beautiful sear and prevents steaming, leading to perfectly cooked, tender shrimp every time. Shrimp cook incredibly fast, so timing is everything. For a quick sauté, heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan over medium-high heat and cook for just 2 to 3 minutes per side. If grilling, thread them onto skewers and cook for about 2 minutes per side. Baking is also an option. At 400 degrees Fahrenheit, they'll be ready in 8 to 10 minutes. Remember, shrimp are perfectly cooked when they turn opaque pink and curl into a loose C-shape, indicating tenderness. To elevate your shrimp, consider some simple flavor enhancements. A quick marinade for 20 to 30 minutes in a mix of citrus, garlic, and fresh herbs works wonders. For a little warmth, a pinch of red pepper flakes adds a delightful kick without being overpowering. Once cooked, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice brightens the flavor, and a sprinkle of chopped parsley adds freshness. Or, for a classic touch, toss your hot shrimp in a simple, rich garlic butter sauce. Once your delicious shrimp are cooked, serve them immediately to enjoy their best texture and flavor. They make a fantastic main course, a delightful appetizer, or a wonderful addition to other dishes. Consider pairing them with a light pasta, fluffy rice, or a crisp green salad for a balanced and satisfying meal. A final garnish of fresh herbs or a lemon wedge adds a lovely touch. Now, go forth and enjoy your perfectly cooked, flavorful shrimp with your friends and family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.